to a workshop where they can pull out the engine. I've already spoken to a engine builder. He's already got some things planned for this car, for this build. Make the engine stronger. So it looks like it just melted a piston, number 2. So for now, it's gonna get engine taken out, rebuilt, put some forged pistons, some head studs, stronger head studs, maybe a what do you call it? I'm not sure about con rods, but we might go that way as well. Maybe put some stronger con rods, just to make sure that when I turn up this boost, I want it to be reaching. It blew at 15, so we want to go at least 18 psi on the gauge. I want to get it to close to 20, and then I'll be pretty happy. But to do that, we're gonna have to do some engine strengthening processes, like, changing out some parts. It's an old engine. It's done a lot of Ks, so it was probably just about to blow anyway. So there we go. It's blown now. I can't wait to see what happens when they pull it out to see what they'll find. Electric seat, still works, up and down. Tilt, it's got tilt as well. You can tilt the back as well, up and down. The other thing it's got, which most people probably didn't realize, that this car had this right in the center console here. It's got a little knob, or a little joystick actually, that goes in and out. And when you pull that in and out, look what happens to the bolster here. It actually goes in and out, so you can tighten up your seat if you want to. There you go. It's going in. Put it back out again. Let's do that again. See that? Go back out. Make it luxury, nice and soft, but buckety all at the same time. 80s technology, or 80s buckets anyway. Well, I'm gonna miss this car when it's gone. It's gonna take a few weeks to rebuild it. But at the same time, I'm still doing up the Audi S3, so that'll keep me busy for now. For now, I'm just warming up the engine. I haven't started it for a few weeks. And the other thing it has is the window folding ability, whatever they call this thing. You can fold the mirrors. Just here, you got a little knob, so you press this button, and your mirrors fold. I believe these only came on a Japanese versions. And then you got your mirror control as well. Your adjustable suspension, dampers, sports and normal. At the moment that's deactivated. It's just got 10 coilovers. I was just starting to enjoy it, and then I blew the engine.